Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to fix msv.dll file missing. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, I'm going to share with you within 2 steps how you can fix that. First of all, open your web browser and then type here msvcp140.dll and hit enter, and then you will find here something appear like this link. You have to go here www.dll file, so which is msv.140. so we're going to click over there and you will see the website will appear. Here you have to download this, so I'm going to download this and it's going to be download in my computer, so it will download within 2 seconds. You can see here, so file is already downloaded. So I'm going to right click over there and then I'm going to click here show in folder, and here you can see the zip file. Simply right click over there and click here extract file, and then click here OK, and then you will see the file will be extracted. Just double click on it and then you will see there will be a msvcp140.dll. so you have to go on your computer, this PC, and then go in C and then click here Windows and then try to find out system 32-bit and then simply copy this file and paste it here. So I'm going to copy and then paste it here. So you can see here you have option to replace the file in this destination. I already copied this file, so I know it, so I'm going to click here escape this file. So if you have the issues, you easily click here replace the file on the destination and then later on restart your PC and then see is there any error coming or not. So I'm going to right now escape this file. So this is the step number 1. If it is not working, let me share with you the second step. For that, again open your favorite web browser and then simply type here DirectX download and then hit enter. You will find here download DirectX. So this is from Microsoft, so we're going to open that and then you have to simply click here, choose the language, so we keep as it is English, and I'm going to click here download and it's going to be download. So after download, simply open that file and then you will see there will be click here something like this. I accept the agreement and then click next, and then uncheck this install the Bing bar. I don't need that, so click here next, and then you can see DirectX going to be installed. And after installing 100% done, simply restart your PC and hopefully this .dll going to be fixed. So this is how you can easily install, or if you have issue with msv.dll missing, you can simply follow this step and then you can easily fix this issue in your PC. So that's for now guys. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.